Children, today we will see exercise 13.1, question number 2. Construct a right angled triangle with a base of 4 cm and the sum of other side is 8 cm. The base is 4 cm. We will draw base of 4 cm. Name it A, B. It was at right angle. From A we will draw 90 degree. From A we will draw 90 degree. Extend that line little and name it X and write over here 4 cm and make a symbol of 90 degree. Then take an arc of 8 cm. Take an arc of 8 cm. In the rough, you take an arc of 8 cm. From point A on line AX, cut an arc. Name it point D. Write over here 8 cm. Now join DB. Now join DB. After joining DB, bisect the line DB. Take more than half of the line, cut an arc on both sides. From class 6, you are doing the line bisector. By now you should have understood how to bisect a line. From the point two sides, you cut an arc. Where the arc will intersect, join that arc. Now, where the bisector on the line AX will cut, name it point C. Join CB. Join CB. After that, what was the question? The sum of other side is 8 cm. We have to find BC and we have to find AC. You measure BC, how much it is. BC, how much it is coming? 5 cm. You write over here 5 cm. Then you have to measure AC. AC, how much it is coming? 3 cm. 3 cm. The question was the sum of. You have to sum BC plus AC. BC is how much? You got 5 cm. Plus AC, how much you got? 3 cm. You added, it is 8 cm. According to the question, it is correct. The question was the sum of other side is 8 cm. Now step of construction, draw a line segment AB of 4 cm. From point A, draw an angle of 90 degree. Name it line AX. Next, third point, take an arc of 8 cm from point A. Cut an arc on the line AX. It will intersect at a point, name it point D. Join DB. Bisect DB. Next point, the bisector line, name it L. The bisector line L will pass through the line AD. It will intersect on that line, name it point C. Join CB. Then measure BC equal 5 cm, AC equal 3 cm and the sum of two sides. This you have to do. Next question, construct a triangle PQR. QR equal 7 cm, angle Q equal 45 degree and PQ minus PR equal 2 cm. This is solution 3 and solution 4 is same. The solution 4 will be your homework. I am giving you solution 3. How much length you have to draw? QR 7 centimeter. Draw a line QR of 7 centimeter. Name it QR 7 centimeter. Then from point Q 45 degree. From point 5 Q you draw 45 degree. From point Q draw an angle of 45 degree. You extend that line little more and name it as X. Now PQ minus PR is 2 centimeter. You take an arc of 2 centimeter. You take an arc of 2 centimeter. From point Q, you cut an arc on the line QX of 2 centimeter and name it D, and you write over here 2 centimeter. Now join DR. Now join DR. Bisect the line DR. You know how to bisect? More than half of the line, cut an arc on both sides. Join that bisector point. Extend the line at the top. In this question, it is meeting nearby. Question number 4, it will go little far. Question number 4, it will go little far. Extend that line in that question. Name it point P. Where the intersecting point, name it point P. Then join R P. Then join R P. Now, what we have to find out? PQ and PR. You measure PQ. How much it is coming? You measure PQ. It is coming? Yes. 7.5. Now measure PR. PR how much it is coming? 5.5. 5.5. Now we have to subtract it. The question was PQ minus PR equal 2 centimeter. We should get 2 centimeter. That means 7.5 minus 5.5. 5 minus 5, 0. Decimal. 7 minus 5, 2. 2.0 centimeter. That means it is correct. Is it clear? See the construction. It is similar. Draw a line segment QR of 7 centimeter. From point Q, draw an angle of 45 degree. Mark a point D on QX such that QD is 2 centimeter. Join DR. Draw a perpendicular bisector of line DR which intersect QDX at point P. Join PR. Thus triangle PQR is the required triangle, and after that we have to write these 4 lines again. Is it clear? Question number 5. It is very important. See it very carefully. Construct a triangle ABC where AB plus BC plus CA equal 13 cm, angle B 45, angle C 70. Draw a line PQ of 13 cm. We have to make a triangle ABC, but you take a line PQ of 13 cm. Now 45 degree and 70 degree we have to make an angle from both sides. Draw an angle of 45 degree from point P. This is 45 degree. Again from point Q we have to draw an angle of 70 degree. Join that line, extend that line also. Name it L and M. Now bisect angle 45 and 75 degree. Bisect angle 45 degree and 75 degree. You know angle bisector from class 6. You know how to bisect the angle. Angle bisector. It is called as angle bisector. Now you bisect angle Q, that is 75 degree. Both bisector will intersect. Name it point A. Now bisect AP line and AQ line. Now we have to bisect line AP and AQ. Take more than half, cut an arc on both sides from A and from Q also same. Then join that bisecting arc. Now bisect the same AQ, take more than half, cut an arc on both sides. This is the bisector line intersecting point of AQ. Join that line. Now from name it point B and C. Now join BA and CA. Now join BA and CA. What was the question? AB plus BC plus CA equal 13 centimeter. That means you have to find AB, BC and CA. What is the line segment of each? AB. You measure AB. How much it is coming? It is 5 centimeter. BC. How much it is coming? 3.5 centimeter. CA. How much it is coming? It is also coming 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. Now you add 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1, 5 plus 1, 6, plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3. The measure of BC, check the measure of BC, it is coming 4.5, it is coming 4.5, by mistake it was 3.5 I said, it is 4.5. Now add it. 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 and carry 1, that is 13. You got 13. AB plus BC plus CA equal 13 centimeter. Now the step of construction, the same method how we have done, you have to write the step of construction.